It is a rainy day here in Liberia, West Africa, and I can't think of a better day to announce the relaunch of the African Homestead channel. It has been 3 long years since my last published episode, and I just want to say how thankful I am. I've had periodic notes of encouragement, notes of concern, wondering what happening, where have I been, and I have to be honest with you, life just got crazy. After we were in the States, we got back here, we moved into our new house, I did a bunch of construction, and it's just been super busy, and my YouTube channel took a backseat to all of that activity. I'm really excited to announce that I'm putting together a bunch of great new content. I want to give you the opportunity to see the work that we have accomplished over the last 3 years and what we have going on right now, plus what our plans are for the future. Over the coming weeks, I'm going to show you around my homestead. We're going to take a step-by-step tour of the different things that I've done here, the different projects that I've completed, the projects that I have ongoing. I can't tell you how excited I am to be back, and I'm really looking forward to interacting with all of you. I so much love your encouragement, I love your comments, I love your questions, and I just can't wait to start hearing from all of you again. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.